A new revolution is sweeping across Africa, not with oil or gold, but with data and code. From mobile money to machine learning, Africa is building the future with technology made for its people, by its people. Over the last decade, Africa has become the world's fastest-growing mobile market. More than 600 million people now use mobile phones, a foundation for an entire digital economy. Apps like M-Pesa in Kenya and Flutterwave in Nigeria have turned phones into banks, moving billions without a single traditional branch. And now, Africa's digital revolution is entering its next phase: artificial intelligence. Across the continent, innovators are using AI to solve problems no one else can. In Ghana, AI startups predict credit scores for small businesses without bank histories. In Rwanda, zipline drones use machine learning to deliver blood to rural hospitals. In Kenya, farmers use AI apps to detect pests and predict rainfall. And in Nigeria, voice recognition tools are being trained to understand African accents and languages. These technologies aren't imported. They're being built here by a generation shaping Africa's own digital destiny. Africa's cities are getting smarter. Governments are investing in smart grids, digital IDs, and AI-driven public services. Projects like Konza Technopolis in Kenya and Kigali Innovation City in Rwanda are designed to host AI research centers, incubators, and tech universities, hubs connecting innovation with real-world needs.
We're designing cities that think, where data improves how people live, move, and work.
But Africa's AI revolution faces serious challenges. Only 40% of Africans have internet access, and power shortages still limit digital growth. Foreign tech giants dominate data storage, raising questions of digital sovereignty. Who owns Africa's data, and who profits from it?
Africa's data is its new oil. Controlling it means controlling the continent's future.
Then there's education, training the next generation of African coders and AI engineers fast enough to meet demand. Africa's greatest advantage isn't its minerals, it's its youth. With a median age of 19, Africa is the youngest continent on Earth. Schools and platforms like Zindi, Moringa, and ALX Africa are building AI talent for a global economy. African engineers are already working for companies like Google, Meta, and OpenAI, from Lagos to Nairobi. The next breakthrough in AI might not come from Silicon Valley, but from Accra or Addis Ababa. In 2023, the African Union began drafting the continent's first AI strategy, focusing on ethics, inclusion, and governance. Countries like Mauritius, Ghana, and Rwanda are creating policies to ensure AI benefits citizens, not just corporations. Because the future of technology is not just about algorithms, it's about accountability. From Silicon Valley to Shanghai, Africa is now on the map, not as a consumer of innovation, but as a contributor. The world's biggest tech firms are investing in African AI ecosystems. Google's AI Research Lab in Accra, Microsoft's Africa Development Center, and Meta's partnerships with African universities all point to one thing: Africa is the next frontier of intelligence. Africa's story has always been about resilience and reinvention. Today, it's about intelligence, human and artificial. The world is watching, and Africa is no longer catching up. It's leading.